What a small shed! We're much too good for this old shack. I think it's nice. Of course you would. What is that supposed to mean? And of course we have to share it with another old geezer. Shut up! That's Skarloey. I'm sorry, Skarloey. Sir Handel's mad now, but he's quite nice really. Skarloey felt quite sorry for Peter Sam. Sir Handel, whatever would Grandpa say about this? Oh, I didn't think so. It'd be a right shame if you were to mock old engines in front of him. Now shut up, I want to hear all about our new home. You'll have plenty of time to do that later. It's time for the last goods train of the day. Controller wants you to take it. Oh dear. Okay, Skarloey, we'll talk when I get back. And with that, Peter Sam scurried away. Sir Handel said nothing to Skarloey as he settled down for the night. The next morning, Sir Handel was rudely woken up by his driver. Wake up, the new schedule said you're up first. I'm tired, have Peter Sam do it, he'd love it. No, owner's orders. You're up first. I suppose I must. Sir Handel came out of the shed. There stood the coaches. Sir Handel sniffed. These aren't coaches, they're cattle trucks. Ooh, cattle trucks, what a horrid engine. It's not what I'm used to, Sir Handel said pompously. When he arrived at the platform, James had already left with the express. And at the other platform stood Gordon with empty coaches on a test run. Sir Handel felt in the mood for a chat, so called across the track. Hello, who might you be? Gordon was taken aback. I'm Gordon, who are you? I'm Sir Handel. Yes, I've heard of you. You're a top-link express engine. Gordon snorted, but Sir Handel took no notice. I am too, but I'm being disgraced with these cattle trucks. I see you have bogey coaches, sensible things. Oh, really? Said Gordon, amused. I've never seen you around here before. Are you new? Yes, me and my colleague arrived yesterday. I'm afraid I can't stay and chat. We must talk some other time. Goodbye. And with that, Sir Handel left the station with much huffing. Gordon was stunned. Sir Handel was soon high up in the hills with his train. Come along, come along. Cattle trucks. We'll pay him out. Let's do it at the tunnel, girls. After a tunnel, the line crosses a misty moor before entering the next station. The tracks often get slippery here due to runoff from the hills. This is where the coaches decided to strike. Hold back! Hold back! Hold back! Hold back! Sir Handel struggled along the dew-laden rails with the coaches sniggering behind him. They stopped at a crossing. This was a scheduled stop and gave Sir Handel a moment to catch his breath. With a little bit of sand, the train was off. The coaches could do nothing as Sir Handel dragged them up to the next station. For the rest of the day, the coaches tried to get back at Sir Handel whenever they could. The struggle between the coaches and Sir Handel caused quite a bit of discomfort for the passengers, who were not happy about being bounced around. They complained to the Thing Controller about the rough ride the railway's new number 3 gave. He visited the little engines that night. You are quite a disobedient engine, he said severely. You're rude, conceited, and much too big for your wheels. And if you act up again, I shall punish you severely. As for you, Peter Sam, I am happy with your work today. The slate quarry said you were very pleasant and made their trucks behave. You two will switch jobs tomorrow. I want to see how versatile you are. The thing controller walked away, leaving Sir Handel most disgruntled. He can't do anything to me. I'm the most powerful engine here. He heard a snicker. You probably put those old boxes up to it, you old fuddy-duddy. Oh, and how could I have done that? I haven't moved all day. Well, you could have. Admit it, Sir Handel. You've got yourself into this. Pah! I am very proud of you, Peter Sam. Our controller is a very hard man to please, so you must have done something right to earn that sort of praise.
Kiss
Peter
ass.
Sam beamed. As for you, Sir Handel, behave yourself. I've heard terrible tales about engines who've gotten punished. Once I even heard about an engine getting his wheels removed and turned into, yeah, I look after myself, old-timer. I don't need another grandpuff. Scarloey rolled his eyes, not knowing what he was talking about, and the three engines drifted off to sleep. The next morning, Sir Handel took a goods train up the hillside. The train started off light, but it was filled with produce by the end. Right, we'll leave the loaded ones here. The empty ones up front need to go to the slate quarry beyond. Oh no, I know slate quarries. I'm not going up there. Don't be silly. The driver opened the regulator and Sir Handel jerked forward and lurched off the rails. Told you. The driver cursed a lot before calling the thing controller. He sent up some workmen with Peter Sam on his own train. Peter Sam chuckled at Sir Handel, who already felt silly. Showed them, didn't you? Shut up, it'll be fine. Sure. The controller says he'll speak to you once you get home. Oh, joy. Sir Handel limped home sadly that afternoon. Once again, the thing controller was waiting for him. I tried to play nice, Sir Handel, I really did, but you left me no choice. You'll be switching duties with John, the mine engine. I hope you will do well in the coal mines. Maybe you'll learn some sense in there. And with that, the thin controller walked away, leaving Sir Handel very ashamed, and Scarloey having a good laugh.